It is not about how much you make, it's about how you manage what you make. This is the biggest lesson I learned during my 25-year career as a professional accountant, working with high net worth clients. Whether you are earning 50,000 or $500,000, the strategies the top 1% use to grow and protect their wealth can work for you. In this video, I'm breaking down the 15-65-20 rule, a simple proven approach to managing your money like a pro. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with the 15%. This is the cornerstone of financial security. You are setting aside 15% of every dollar you earn for you. Why? Two reasons: peace of mind and wealth building for long term financial security. Just imagine a flat tire, an urgent family emergency, or a sudden repair work hits. Without an emergency fund or a cash cushion, you are not just worrying about the problem, you are stressing over how to pay for it. This can quickly derail your finances. That is where your 15% cushion comes in. Start small by building a quick excess fund enough to cover 1 month of essential expenses. Think rent, groceries, utilities, not fun activities. Build that up to 3 to 6 months. It's your safety net, giving you the freedom to handle life's surprises without spiraling into debt, and ultimately, peace of mind. But that 15% is not just for emergencies, it's also your ticket to making your money work for you. Let me show you the magic of compound interest. John invests 10,000 at age 30, earning 6% annually. By 50, he has over 32,000 pounds. While on the other hand, Jay, he starts at 40, invests double, and only gets 27,000 pounds. Why? Time and compound interest. The earlier you start, the bigger the payoff. So, where do you start? First, max out your workplace retirement pension plan. It's free money if your employer matches contributions, as contributions are pre tax. Then, look into tax advantaged accounts like stocks and shares ISAs in the UK or Roth IRAs in the US. These accounts grow tax free, boosting your returns for the long run. It's a strategy used by successful investors. Now, next up, 65% for essential expenses. This is where the basic life things like rent or mortgage, groceries, transportation, but be careful. Lifestyle creep is real. You get a raise, and suddenly that old flat seems too small, or you upgrade to a car with higher insurance. Fight this urge. Keeping essentials under control with a 65% cap gives you room to breathe and invest. And now, my favorite part, the 20% for fun. Yes, you can and should. Budget for guilt free enjoyment, a nice dinner, that new gadget you have been eyeing, or a weekend getaway with friends. This is not just spending, it is an investment in you to keep you motivated and energetic. So, there you have a 15-65-20 system to manage your money like the 1%. Ready to take control of your finances? Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon with more tips to help you grow, save, and thrive.